Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Jared.
We were extremely excited to see that Security joined in as one of the sponsors of TadHack. When coming up with a concept for our hack, we wanted to really utilize the ability to instantly deploy connected devices anywhere without having to worry about the hassles of limited Wi-Fi coverage. What we came up with is something we're calling Dreamages, a concept that ties the daydreams of the citizens of Orlando into a generated art gallery of images based on those ideas.
Yes, I consider the city of Orlando to be a very vibrant and colorful place. Security's technology enabled us to freely upload data to a server from anywhere in the city, and I thought this freedom of movement could be used to help us collaborate with the people of Orlando itself. I envisioned a rich and dynamic tapestry of thoughts and opinions that could be reflected with the help of AI. I hope you enjoy.
This is Dreamages Gallery. As a concept, we wanted to build an experience that was something that we could deploy instantly, that we could not have to worry about Wi-Fi or coverage, but just set up a device and get started interacting with the public. We wanted to take concepts from users and prompt them to get creative, and we wanted it to result in a almost dreamlike gallery of images that were generated from users' ideas. For prototyping, we just did a quick housing out of cardboard, did real-world testing, and were able to talk to a few people and get actual prompts and their ideas based on those prompts. For the user experience, users start out using an Android app that will show them first instructions and then give them a prompt for them to say a few sentences about whatever it makes them think of. Once they give their answer, it will go ahead and generate using Stable Diffusion. Their answer is then translated into an image that will go into a digital gallery that we will then show to whoever visits. We will now show a quick demo of how this process works.
What is your favorite comfort food and why? My favorite comfort food is mac and cheese because you can put tasty things in it like bacon or caramelized onions, or you can just have it be a blend of a bunch of different kinds of fancy cheeses, and it's always delicious. I love mac and cheese.
Backend is then responsible for indexing existing images so that they can be displayed in the gallery, as well as looking at new information that comes in from the security key value API. In this case, the user prompt that then gets translated and generated by Stable Diffusion to be added to the gallery. The gallery displays generated images that float around the screen. In the future, we're interested in making it so there are multiple images displayed in a gallery arrangement, all floating around the screen, and perhaps adding stylized frames to them and giving them effects such as fading in and out to give a more dreamlike state. For our sponsor tech, we use Security for their SIM cards for data for the voice dictation, as well as we utilized their Edge API with two-way key value storage so that we could both update settings on the endpoint device, in this case a phone, as well as send back the answers from the users after they were presented with prompts and input their data. Security has tons of awesome features. We barely scratched the surface, and we're really excited to see something really very modern and cutting edge. Thank you to Security and their support for helping us out with a few things that we were having trouble with on our end. Thank you to all sponsors of TadHack, and thank you very much to Alan for putting this on.